Veteran singer-songwriter Ogie Alcacid will be performing a duet with Malloy, the main vocalist of the popular group Binny at the Ogioko 2 on November 30th at the Newport Performing Arts Theatre. Binny will also be special guests at Mr. Ogie's concert, after he personally invited them to join. The Binny management and the group quickly agreed to his request. Expect the group to perform their viral hit, as well as Ogie's legendary song, Mr. Ogie also requested Binny to sing their iconic duet song with his wife. Since Malloy is the main vocalist, she will be the one to duet with Mr. Ogie this time. Additionally, Mr. Ogie reminded Malloy about their upcoming duet on its showtime, and Malloy, who is known for her humility, asked for guidance from the seasoned singer. I believe Malloy has the vocal power to deliver a stellar performance, and we can definitely look forward to an amazing duet between her and Mr. Ogie.
Ano gagawin niyo dito sa Ogie?
Well, kakantahin nila, I think, is Salamin. And then we will do Dito sa Puso Ko together, a reimagined version. And then I asked, sabi ko, sino bang pwedeng pumirit? So sabi ng handlers nila, si Malloy daw. So sabi ko, meron akong bagong version kasi ng hanggang ngayon.
Wow!
So yun, sabi ko, so nagkita kami ni Malloy nung, alam mo, pagpasikat siya. Sabi ko, uy, kita ka hanggang ngayon. So, tulungan niyo ako, sir. Kasi walang problema. So, I'm excited to hear it.